So everybody, come on, every boy and girl, let's give this a whirl. We're making waves, no stopping, keep moving along. Making waves, everybody, all people belong. Yeah, we got a lot of life to live and a lot of love to give. We're making waves. Come on. Woo. We're making waves. Here we go. God, I'm so amazed by your goodness. I love the way that you love me. I got this joy flowing deep in my soul now. Deep in my soul. Come on. I just want the world to see. Yeah. With your love inside me, I know I can change the world. I know I can change the world. So everybody, come on, every boy and girl, let's go. Let's give this a whirl. We're making waves, no stopping, keep moving along. Making waves, everybody, all people belong. We got a lot of life to live and a lot of love to give. We're making waves. Yeah, we're making waves. Come on, we're making waves. All right, y'all, sing it like this. We're gonna make some waves today. Share your love around the world. Make some waves today. Share your love around the world. Sing it again. Like make some waves today. Share your love around the world. Make some waves today. Share your love around the world. We're making waves, no stopping, keep moving along. Making waves, everybody, all people belong. We got a lot of life to live and a lot of love to give. We're making waves, no stopping, keep moving along. Making waves, everybody, all people belong. We got a lot of life to live and a lot of love to give. We're making waves. Yeah, come on, y'all. We're making waves. Let's make some waves, y'all. We're making waves.
Know what time it is?
Time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you.
Oh, hey friends, I'm Poppy. I'm really glad to see you, but I'm also really sad. I was going to go to my friend's house and play in her pool, but now she's sick, so I can't go. It was going to be so much fun. First, we were going to put on fun floaties. Then, we were going to pretend we were in the ocean and see who could make the biggest giant wave. And then, we were going to try to blow bubbles in the water. But now I don't get to do any of that. I guess I don't need my sun hat anymore. Hey, what kind of face is on this rock? Yup, it's a smiley face. The wrong kind of face for today.
Hoo, hoo.
Hey, it's Ollie.
Hello, Poppy. Hoo, hoo. Found a smile just now, did you?
Hey, Ollie. That rock has a smiley face on it, but I can't go play in the pool, so I do not feel like smiling.
Things don't always go our way. It's true. But even then, there is something we can do. Listen to this story. Just follow me through. Hoo, hoo.
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
friends, it's so good to see you. I just finished making this fun instrument. Do you know what it is? Yes, it's a tambourine. I love to show joy by singing. And when I have a tambourine to play, I can show even more joy. Which reminds me of a story. Do you want to help me build it? Great! Hammers up, little builders. Ready? Uno, dos, tres, hammer! Great job, little helpers. You can put your hammers down. Now, we just need our story tools. Yep, we have everything we need. Our true story from the Bible is about two friends of Jesus named Paul and Silas. One time, Paul and Silas were in jail. Being in jail means they could not go outside and see their friends. They could not go to the kitchen and get something to eat whenever they wanted. When Paul and Silas were in jail, they had to just stay there. It was not fun. Wait, what are Paul and Silas doing? Yes, they're singing. But why? They shouldn't have this much joy while they're in jail. But they're singing and praising Jesus with joy. Paul and Silas knew no matter where they were, Jesus was still their friend forever. And he helped them choose joy. Then something awesome happened. While Paul and Silas were singing and praising with joy, there was an earthquake. Oh, everybody shake. And the doors to the jail flew wide open. But Paul and Silas didn't leave. They stayed there to tell the guard that Jesus is alive and he wants to be his friend forever. Then the guard had joy too. Jesus is so awesome. He can help us choose joy no matter what. We can choose joy when we're at the playground or at the doctor, on sunny days or rainy days. Jesus can help us choose joy. Jesus can help us do everything. Hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who can help you do everything?
Jesus can help me do everything. Yes, it's true. Now, let's hear it from you. Tell me, who can help you do everything?
Jesus can help me do everything. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. See you soon. Adios.
So there's your story, and it's all true. Jesus helped Paul and Silas choose joy, and he can help us choose joy too.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, Paul and Silas chose joy and sang even when things weren't going their way. Jesus can help me choose joy too. Joy can change the world. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it? Got it! Good! You know what? I can choose joy today. I'm going to make a fun card for my friend that is sick. See you next time. Bye!
I can do everything through Christ who gives me strength. Philippians 4:13. I can do everything through Christ, who gives me strength. Philippians 4:13.